The smartphone battle is about to get even more interesting. While many people are waiting for the iPhone 17 and Galaxy S26, Google may have a surprise ready with the upcoming Pixel 11 series. On the surface, the phone may look familiar, but the real story is hidden inside. Several leaks suggest that Google is preparing some major upgrades that could make the Pixel 11 one of the smartest and most advanced Android phones ever released. Here are 6 features that could help the Pixel 11 stand out from its biggest rivals. The first big upgrade could be the display. According to recent reports, the Pixel 11 lineup may become the first smartphone series to use Samsung's latest M16 OLED technology. This new display material is expected to deliver higher brightness, better color accuracy, and improved power efficiency. In everyday use, that means clearer visibility under direct sunlight, richer colors while watching videos, and longer battery life. While many competing flagship phones are still expected to use older display materials, Google could gain an early advantage with this next-generation screen technology. For users who spend a lot of time outdoors or consume a lot of media on their phones, this upgrade could make a noticeable difference. The second major upgrade is expected to come from the new Tensor G6 processor. Google is reportedly moving to a powerful 2-nanometer manufacturing process for the Tensor G6 chip. Smaller manufacturing processes usually bring 2 important benefits: better performance and improved efficiency. This means apps could open faster, multitasking could feel smoother, and battery consumption could be reduced. Google's focus is not just raw speed. The Tensor G6 is expected to be heavily optimized for artificial intelligence, allowing the Pixel 11 to handle advanced AI tasks directly on the device. Security may also get a boost through the Titan M3 security chip, providing stronger protection for personal data. Connectivity could improve as well. Reports suggest Google may replace the older modem solution with MediaTek's new M90 modem, potentially delivering stronger signals, better reliability, and more stable network performance. The third feature is one that many longtime smartphone users may find exciting. A feature called Pixel Glow is rumored to return in a completely modern form. Instead of constantly checking the screen for notifications, users may be able to see alerts directly from the back of the phone through colorful LED lighting effects. Leaks suggest the system could display multiple colors to indicate different types of notifications. Messages, calls, battery alerts, and app notifications could each have their own color patterns. What's even more interesting is that Gemini AI may work alongside Pixel Glow, making notifications smarter and more personalized based on user behavior. It may sound like a small feature, but unique touches like this often help a device stand out in a market where many phones look and feel similar. Of course, no Pixel launch would be complete without camera improvements. The Pixel 11 series is expected to receive several camera hardware upgrades across the lineup. Reports suggest that the standard Pixel 11 and Pixel 11 Pro Fold may receive a brand new 50-megapixel sensor designed to improve image quality in various lighting conditions. Meanwhile, the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL could get new sensors for both the main camera and telephoto camera. Some leaks even point toward a higher resolution telephoto camera, which could significantly improve zoom photography. Sharper long-distance shots, better detail retention, and improved low-light zoom performance are all possibilities. Google's camera software is already considered among the best in the industry. So combining that software expertise with upgraded hardware could produce some impressive results. The fifth feature may not be flashy, but many users will appreciate it. Pixel 11 is expected to keep Google's familiar design language while refining key details. Leaked renders show that the iconic horizontal camera bar is likely staying, helping the phone maintain its unique identity. However, there may be subtle changes, including a black camera bar design and thinner bezels around the display. Smaller bezels could create a more immersive viewing experience while giving the phone a cleaner and more premium appearance. Rather than completely redesigning the device, Google appears focused on polishing a design that many users already recognize and enjoy. And finally, perhaps the most important upgrade of all could be Android 17. Pixel 11 series is expected to launch with Android 17 straight out of the box, bringing Google's latest Gemini Intelligence features. This is where things get really interesting. Gemini Intelligence is designed to act more like a personal assistant than a traditional AI tool. It can reportedly perform complex multi-step actions, helping users complete tasks with less effort. Android 17 may also allow users to create custom home screen widgets simply by describing what they want. Instead of manually building layouts, AI could generate personalized widgets automatically. Additional features like app bubbles and pause point are also expected to arrive, making the overall software experience smarter, more flexible, and more intuitive. When all of these rumored upgrades are combined, the Pixel 11 starts looking like much more than a routine yearly refresh. Brighter M16 OLED display, a powerful Tensor G6 processor, Pixel Glow notifications, upgraded cameras, refined design, and AI-focused Android 17 could make Google's next flagship one of the most exciting phones of the year. The big question now is whether these upgrades will be enough to challenge the iPhone 17 and Galaxy S26 when all three devices finally go head-to-head. Which feature are you most excited about on the Pixel 11? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smartphone leaks, updates, and tech news.